Hello everyone, welcome in maths classes. In this video, I will tell you how to solve question number 7, 8 and 9 of exercise 2.2. So, from class 8th maths textbook, this is page number 33. I am going to solve the questions of exercise 2.2. Now, these questions are also important. So, question number 7 is, seventh question, the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the numbers. Find the numbers. Okay. So the question is about consecutive multiples. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. Now, what should be the right approach to solve this question? You can see the sum of, sum means we will use addition, consecutive means numbers just coming one after another. As in the case of counting, consecutive multiples of 8. Multiples of 8 means the numbers which are exactly divisible by 8. So that sum is 888. Now we have to make a right equation. Okay. So let the numbers are, suppose if one number is x and if it is a multiple of 8, then next number will be x plus 8 and next number will be x plus 16, because if you take any 3 numbers from the table of 8 like 24, 32, okay, take a simpler example. Suppose these are the 3 consecutive multiples of 8, means it is 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 1 ja 2 ja 3 ja. Okay, so these are the consecutive multiples. It is 8 plus 8 and it is 8 plus 16. So in this way we are using this concept, and the question is the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888, means if you add all these you will get 888. So we can write according to question, x plus 8 plus x plus 16 is 888. Simply we will add all these. Now after simplifying these we get x, x and x, that is 3x. Then it is 8 plus 4, that is 8 plus 16. 8 plus 16 becomes 24. 24 will be transposed to right hand side. It becomes minus 24. Okay. X, x and x, that is 3x, and 8 plus 16, 24, that will be subtracted on other side. Now what is the value of 888 minus 24? So it is 8 minus 4, 4, 8 minus 2, 6, and it is 8. So it is 888. Now x equals 864 upon 3. So what will be the answer? If you divide 864 by 3, okay, so you can do in rough notebook. I am just writing the answer directly. It is 3 2 ja 6, then 2 8 6, 3 8 ja 24, and 2 and 4 3 8 ja 24. Just check it. 3 8 ja 24, 2 carry. Okay, this is the quotient. Now I am going to solve the remaining part. Note it down. So you have found the value of x, and you can write 3 consecutive multiples. Find the multiples. So you have to write the multiples are, first multiple is x, so it is 288, and second is x plus 8, 288 plus 8, next is 288 plus 16. Because we assumed that the multiples are x, x plus 8, x plus 16, just put the value of x. Now the answer is 288 and it is 296, and the value of this is 304. So these are the 3 consecutive multiples of 8 whose sum is 888, and you can cross check your answer. How will you do this? Just find the sum of these. So if the sum of these is 888, means your answer is correct. So let's check it, and this can be done in rough. Okay, you can do in your rough notebook. This is cross checking. So 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 8 18, 1 carry, it is 1, 9 10 plus 8 18, 1 carry, 1 plus 3 4, 2 6 2 8. So this is the right answer. Okay students, pause the video and note it down. Now I am going to solve question number 8. So 8th question is, 3 consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find the numbers. So the right approach is 3 consecutive integers. Let the integers are x, x plus 1, x plus 2, 3 consecutive integers taken in increasing order, means they are in increasing order, obviously, plus 1 and plus 2, and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4. So we multiply. Before that we will write according to question. So multiply these by 2, 3 and 4 respectively. This is multiplied by 2, multiplied by 3 and by 4. So it is 2x, it is 3 into x plus 1, and it is 4 into x plus 2. They add up to 74, means sum of these is 74. Listen again, these are the consecutive integers. You multiply these by 2, 3 and 4, and if you add them you get 74. So simplify this, as it is 2x, 3x and 4x. Okay, so I write the next step, 2x plus, if 3 is multiplied by this expression, 3x plus 3, it is multiplied by 4, it is 4x plus 8 equal to 74. Now 2x, 3x and 4x, so it is 9x. Now 3 and plus 8, it is 11, and 11 is subtracted from the right hand side. What is the value of 74 minus 11? It is 63. Okay, and x will be 63 upon 9, that will be 7. So the value of x is 7. Now how to find the value of 3 integers? Because in the question it is asked that find these numbers. So we will just put the value of x. Now I am going to erase this. So remember the value of x. Okay, remember the value of x, that is 7, and we write the numbers are, first is x, so it is 7, next is 7 plus 1, next is 7 plus 2, 7, 8 and 9. So these are the values. So it is the answer. Now you can cross check it. How? Multiply this by 2, 3 and 4. Finally add them. So just check it. 7 2 ja. Now I am doing rough work. Okay, this question is finished. Multiply this by 2, it is 14. By 3, 24. By 4, 36. If the total is 74, means your answer is correct. 6 plus 4, 10, plus 4, 14. 1 carry, 3 1 4, and it is 74. So you can cross check. Okay, note it down. Last and important question is question number 9. So last question is, the ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. Whenever a ratio is given, assume the values in this way. Let the age of Rahul be 5x and the age of Harun be 7x. Now according to the question, 4 years later the sum of their ages will be 56 years. So find the present ages. Okay, 4 years later means after 4 years. So after 4 years they will be elder, means 4 साल बाद में ये थोड़े बड़े हो जाएंगे. Okay, not younger, they will be elder. So we will add 4 to both these. So we write according to question, the age of Rahul after 4 years is 5x plus 4 and age of Harun after 4 years will be this. Finally we add the ages of both and we will get 56. Now solve this equation. 5x plus 7x 12x, 4 plus 4 8, and it becomes negative on right hand side. Now what is 56 minus 8? It is 48 and x will be 4 because 48 upon 12. So x is 4. Now I am solving the remaining part. Find the present ages. Present ages are 5x and 7x. Put the value of x. So we can write present age of Rahul is, this is 4. 5 into 4, that is 20 years. Similarly, the present age of Harun is 7 into 4 because x is 4. Write the value of x here, 7 into 4, and present age of Harun is 7 into 4, that is 28 years. You can also cross check the answer by the method I told you. So students, these questions are very important. Solve again, okay, and try to solve the given questions in your assignment. Okay, best of luck.